Good morning, 10th class students. Our running topic is application of trigonometry. So today I am going to explain 12.1 exercise problems. Listen well. So here is the first question in today's class. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that, for example, here one tree there, it breaks due to storm and broken part bends. That broken part is bending. Part bends so that the top of the tree touching the ground. So by bending this top, for example, A and C. A and C is the height of the tree. It breaks at B. So after breaking, the top of the tree touches the ground C. By making 30 degrees angle of elevation, the top of the tree is making 30 degrees of angle of elevation. The distance between the top of the tree and also foot of the tree is 6 meters. The distance between the top of the tree and also foot of the tree is 6 meters. Now you have to find what is the height of the tree before it was broken. Clear my question? Here one tree there, height of the tree is AC. It breaks due to storm and the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle of elevation. And distance between the top of the tree and also foot of the tree is 6 meters. Now we have to find what is the height of the tree before it was broken. Now see here. Height of tree before it was broken. AC is equal AB plus BC. To find the height of the tree, first you have to find the length of the AB and also length of the BC. Then what is the meaning of here? This is not AC, it is nothing but distance between the foot of the tree and here AC is, for example, this is touching point is D. AD is equal to 6 meters. Distance between the foot of the tree and also top of the tree. Now, in triangle ABC, what about the opposite side? Opposite side is nothing but AB and also adjacent side is AD and also hypotenuse is BD. Here, the BC and BD both are equal. Why? Because that part is only falling down. This is X and also this is Y. So it means the height of the tree before it was broken is nothing but X plus Y. So to find the height of the tree, you have to find the value of X and also value of Y. In triangle ABC, what is the opposite side here? Y. Opposite side to theta is equal to AB is equal to Y meters. Similarly, adjacent side to theta is equal to AD is equal to 6 meters. Then after hypotenuse is equal to BD is equal to Y X meters is equal to X meters. See here, first I am going to use tan theta formula. What is the tan theta? Tan theta is equal opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Here what is the opposite side? AB is here opposite side. It means AB by AD. Tan theta means tan 30 degrees is equal to what is the AB? Y by 6. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to y by 6. Then y is equal to 6 by root 3. Now I am doing rationalizing factor. So it is 6 root 3 by root 3 whole square. Cancel. 6 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are is equal to 2 root 3 meters. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 2 root 3 meters. Now I need the value of x. Next I am going to apply sin theta. What about sin theta? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Here what is the opposite side? AD. By hypotenuse is nothing but BD. Sin theta means sin 30 degrees is equal 6 by x. Sin 30. Sin theta is equal opposite side is nothing but AD. AB by BD. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. Already we know the value of 8. There is nothing but 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 by x. Now do the cross multiplication. X is equal to 4 root 3 meters. Now I know the x value and also y value. Height of the tree. Before it was broken is equal to x plus y is equal to 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 6 root 3 meters. So height of the tree before it was broken is equal to 6 root 3 meters. Clear? Here one tree there is nothing but AC. It breaks due to storm and the top of the tree is falling down. It is making 30 degrees angle of elevation and it maintains distance between the foot of the tree is nothing but 6 meters. Now you have to find what is the height of the tree before it was broken. So that is nothing but before the height of the tree before it was broken is nothing but x plus y. So to find the height of the tree before it was broken, you have to find the value of x and also value of y. So in this question I used two trigonometric ratios. That is nothing but tan theta and also sin theta. What is the tan theta? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side. By using tan theta I found y value. Then after what is the sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. By using sin theta, what is the value of the x? 4 root 3 meters. Height of the tree before it was broken is equal to x plus y is equal to 6 root 3 meters. See here, an electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole. So one electrician, he wants to repair electrical connection on a pole. Here one electrical pole is there. What is the height of the pole? It is 9 meters. So one electrician, he wants to repair electrical connections on that pole. 9. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below. So he needs to reach 1.8 meters below of that electrical pole. Okay, now clear the question. Here one electrical pole is there. Height of that pole is nothing but 9 meters. One electrician, he want to do some electrical repairs. He want to reach 1.8 meters below height of that pole. It means he want to reach to up to here. Okay. To do repair work, what should be the length of the ladder? He using ladder to climb that pole. He using ladder to climb that pole. And that ladder is making 60 degrees angle of elevation with the ground. Now you have to find what is the length of that ladder. This is A and this is B and this is C and this is D. What about the CD? CD is equal to 1.8 meters. Then after what is the BD? BD is nothing but height of the electrical pole. pole is equal to 9 meters. Then I don't know the length of AB. And what about the BC? The BC is nothing but 9 meters minus 1.8 meters is equal to 7.2 meters. Now here in triangle A and B and C. What about the elevation, angle of elevation theta is equal to 60 degrees. Then what is the opposite side here? Opposite side to theta. What is that opposite side here? BC. BC is equal to 7.2 meters. Then what about the adjacent side AB? And ladder is nothing but hypotenuse. Is equal. What is that AC? What is the meaning of AC? AC here. AC is equal to length of ladder. Let there is nothing but x meters. I am taking length of ladder as x meters. Here opposite side there and also hypotenuse there. We can use the formula sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Sin theta means what is the angle of elevation? 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is equal. What is the opposite side? BC. The length of the BC is 7.2 meters. By hypotenuse is nothing but x. But sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 is equal to 7.2 by x. After doing the cross multiplication, root 3 into x is equal to 7.2 into 2. Then x is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 14.4 by root 3. So here x is equal to 4.4 by root 3. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3. So root 3 by root 3. I am multiplying and dividing with rationalizing factor. So 14.4 into root 3 by root 3 whole square. Square and root cancel. So 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24. 4.8. The value of root 3 is nothing but 1.732. So finally value of x is equal to 8.30 meters. X is nothing but length of ladder. X is equal to 8.30 meters. So what is the length of the required ladder? It is nothing but 8.30 meters. See here 12.1 fourth problem. Length of the shadow of a 15 meters high pole. Here on pole there. What is the height of that pole? 15 meters. And what is the length of the shadow here? 15 root 3. So length of the shadow of that pole is 15 root 3 meters at 8 o'clock. So at that time you have to find the angle of elevation. Let required angle of elevation is equal to theta. Now this is nothing but I am taking as A and B and C. What is the meaning of BC? BC is nothing but height of that pole, 15 meters. And what about the AB? AB is equal to length of shadow of that pole. Length of shadow is equal to 15 root 3 meters. Then here BC is nothing but opposite side and also AB is nothing but adjacent side. What we can write it? Tan theta is equal opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal. What is the opposite side here? BC by AB. Tan theta is equal to length of the BC is nothing but 15 by 15 root 3. 15 by 15 root 3. 15 gets cancelled. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by 2, 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30 degrees. So tan theta is equal to tan 30 degrees. By equating the ratios, theta is equal to 30 degrees. So what is the required angle of elevation? 30 degrees.